What's good, chat? It's your boy Toaster's Wheels. We're about to head over to a car meet. I got my Ye shirt on from when I went to the concert 3 weeks ago. But I'm about to head over. I'm bringing my Moto Compacto. And yeah, I'll just show you what cars are there and whatever. It's gonna be at 7-Eleven. It's also 7-Eleven day. So go get your free Slurpee if you haven't. I mean, you're obviously you aren't gonna hear this on 7-Eleven day. But still, if you didn't get your free Slurpee on July 11th, you missed out. Anyways, let's go over to that car meet, guys. Alright, y'all, so we're almost there at the meet. We're here at Publix. We're gonna check for some Hot Wheels real quick first, and then we'll head over. Alright, chat, so here we go. Ooh, they have a Hot Ones display. Ooh, can we go down? This is the first time I'm actually seeing this at Publix. I know Target had one a while back, but they have a Hot Ones display. That's fire. And then over here, main lines. Ooh. Oh, we got a Supra front and center. W there for the Supra. Oh, and we have a Subaru. Is it the Supra? No, but we'll take it. Let's see what else we got here. There's a Jaguar. Oh, here's the Jeep Duck that everybody's fiending for. Honestly, pretty good grabs. We got the Monopoly. Oh, there's a Miata we picked up earlier. We got an Audi Batmobile. Free check there. Let's see here. Maserati. There's another Duck. Oh, Hot Wheel down. It's down again. Looks like it, chat. Looks like these are the takes. Here's the other ones, chat. Looks like peg warmers. It's already been gone through. Right, we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna go. Oh, my camera's right there. We're gonna pay for these, and then we're gonna head over to 7-Eleven, which is across the street. All right, y'all. So we're here. There's a 7-Eleven over there. We've got our Moto Compacto right here. I'm gonna see if they have the GTR inside. I've been to 7-Elevens today and they haven't had the GTR, so let's see if we have any luck. I'm gonna hand the camera over to my brother. He's gonna record a bit and then I'll take over later.
I think he's recording you. Hey, nah. Say cheese. Oh, tiene cámara. Move. Oh, yeah.
Make me a grip. So fast on your seatbelts, it's so hot, it'll even make you melt. So get aboard and roll, ride, slip through the system. Dog without a bone and actor out of nowhere, riders on the storm. There's a killer on the road.
That's BPF, but I got something.
This man's swerving like a trail.
Pena. 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 Pena que don't move.
All right, chat. So we have control over the camera again for my chat. I'm just gonna show y'all these RX-7s right in front of me. I don't know if this was a Skyline, an RX-3 or whatever, but so here's this RX-7, right? And then we got older Gen 1 right there. But this is probably an RX-3. It is an RX-3. It's a Mazda. I thought it was a Skyline, but still, chat. There's a truck over there. I got my mic on me, mainly because it's really loud, and I want you guys to hear me real good. And here's the RX-3 interior. But dog, look at this RX-7. You good, bud?
Alright, if you buy the drag bumper, what is it?
Blue and that blue. There's an RX carbon hood RX-7 here. We got a Suzuki Sidekick. And then we got a Mercedes carbon. It's all right. But my favorite car, chat. Oh, multiple favorites. Because what's it called? There's this GTR right here. I love me a GTR. Carbon doors and whatever. We got a dog. Excuse me, bro. Oh, of course, we got a Supra and whatnot. But my favorite car is over here. And, you know, it's favorite because of bias. But it's a Skyline, okay? It's this R33 right here. I may be biased. I know the badge is worn a little bit. I may be biased though, but yo, we flipped around. Anyways, I may be biased, but this Skyline though, and look how shiny the wheels are. That's a whole mirror right there, chat. And of course, you know, we got a black GTR right next to it over here. And we got a Lambo and a Lambo. You know, here in my garage, just bought this brand new Lamborghini. But you know what's better than a brand new Lamborghini? Knowledge.
Yo guys, what's up to this video? Right now we're at the car meet at the gas station right now. Look at this Civic right here. It's a very cool Civic. I like the Civic. Oh, very cool Civic right here. We're gonna zoom in on it. Look at that Civic, beautiful Civic, and look at that motorbike. Motorbike right there. Civic and the motorbike. I'm liking this right here. I think my favorite car out of all of them would be this no, it didn't. I think this is a Crown. Toyota Crown. I think so. Let me check. Because it says car for sale, so probably. This car is a Soar. Right there, it's a Soar. I thought it was a Crown. But my favorite car of all of them would be this one. My top three actually would be this Toyota Corolla. Yeah, blue. Yep, Toyota Corolla. Right there, you can see it. And there's a Civic over there, if you can see it. Civic over there. It's over there. And right there's the Bentley. Right here's GTR. GTR coming in. Okay. We got a GTR coming in. Look at this. Look at this GTR. Well, I like this car right here. Well, there's a lot of cars over here. It's very right, and then right here's a BMW with a Lexus, and then I think this is a Nissan Nismo. I don't know the name of it by heart, but like really, right here's a cool BMW that I like the BMW, and right here's a Mazda. I think I like this Mazda too, but my top three was these two Mazdas right here. This Mazda, I think it's an RX-7. I don't know, probably, but I think it's an RX-7. But let's check together. It doesn't say. It's probably an RX-7. This is a 2 right here. It's an RX-2. Well, it was these two and the Toyota. I like this Mazda right here too. Now I don't think this Mazda. These two are good, but this one right here is good. It's a Suzuki Samurai. Bad Boy Club right there, as you can see. And Lexus, there's a BMW, and there's a lot of Corvettes here. Loads of Corvettes. Like that one. That was an older run. I think this one right here is a I don't know about this one. It's probably. And then this one's an NSX, as you can see. And right here's the McLaren. Here's the McLaren. Oops. Sorry. And then right here is the McLaren. Let me show you from the front real quick because this is a absolute beauty of a car right here. See right here? And then right there's the Dodge SRT. And then right here is one of the new BMWs. This one, I think the doors go up. I don't know, but I think the doors go up. Yeah. So these doors right here, they go up. And right as you can see, we have a Lamborghini, Lambo right here. Well, that's his Instagram, as you can see. So Lamborghini next to the, I think that's a i8, and then this Audi R8, I think it is, if I'm right. Yeah, that's an R8. And then this Nissan GTR. And then another one, but in black. And then we have a Supra right here. And then we have another Lamborghini. It's like a twin brother of that one. Alright, the Corvette. And then right here's the 7-Eleven that we're at, where the meat. But I think we're having a good time. I've seen a lot of good cars. And then look at this one. A little mini car, RC car that they're riding over here. I like this one. If I can really zoom into it. Yeah. That's probably, yeah. So I like this one. I like how he does the donuts and stuff and the drifts. But there's a lot of Corvettes over here. Loads. Let me see if I can show y'all. Here's an action. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Well, there's this Corvette right here, and there's this Honda S2000 with this custom, or with this carbon fiber wing. And then I think this is a Toyota Soarer. I don't really know, but the music is very loud. But then we come back over here. We have two Mustangs, a white one, a black one, and then we have this Dodge SRT. And then we have another Mustang, but in red. And then we have this little Honda EG, I think it is. It probably is EG. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all. Well, all these cars at the meet over here. So yep. Then right here is where you come in. Right here is an old Jeep Renegade. It's in blue, as you can see. It's a cool car. And then right there's another Corolla with a, I don't know what that car is. It's probably a Scion. I don't know how to call it, the name. It's probably Scion. It's blasting up music. It's Scorpio. A Scorpio. I might get hate on this video though. And then over here, there's the chill Toyotas. Right here is just chill people. Not that much. No more music over here. It's not loud, but it's not quiet either. And look at these two old Toyotas. with the van. And we have this car. And we have the Dodges, BMW, Alfa, Romero. Look at this old vintage car. Look at this old vintage car. Cadillac. I don't know what this car is though. That car. Honda, Mitsubishi, Nissan. Really over here is all the chill people that are waiting. Oh! It's the Mazda Miata with the flippy floppy lights. Oh yeah. Yeah, mostly chill over here. It's not wild. And look at this. Acura with the VTEC. Acura. Another one. Acura. Honda right here. And that's mostly it. It's all chill over here. It's all the people parking over here, waiting to get into the meet. But alright. I'll talk to you guys later.
Alright, chat. We are recording. I've got possession over my Osmo again. My brother. Oh no. Oh, okay. So now my camera wants to switch around. Anyways, he has the motor. Oh, it's a Skyline. Oh, I forgot it switched around. It's a 32. It's a 32, Chad. We got a pocket check next to that too. We got a wide body Godzilla R32 and a regular red R32, like a wine red colorish. We got to go pocket check next to that, Chad. Oh, what's it called? We had more cars pull up. We got another Lambo. You know, just brought this brand new Lamborghini. But you chose better than this brand new Lamborghini? Knowledge. And we got this white GTR. Two Godzillas. He wants to shout out and whatever. Appreciate you guys. Chat, those kids are like, is this going on YouTube? And I'm like, yeah, you guys want to shout out and whatever? They're like, yeah. So you know, I let them shout out and stuff, and I give them my stickers and stuff. I was like, this is my YouTube and my Instagram and stuff. They're like, hey, follow me back. I got you. I was like, follow me first, and then I'll follow you back and whatnot. This is what the other area is looking like. That's Popeyes over there. There's a 240 somewhere back there. There's an MR2 and stuff. I'll make my way back around and I'll show you guys over there. All right, chat. This was that 240 I was talking about earlier. I love it. Hold up. Let's look on the inside. Let's go look at the engine bay real quick. Okay. We got our moto down. And then, oh, so now my camera wants to go back. I love it. You know, it has to be paint and everything. But so, like, besides the paint, it's, oh! I didn't even realize it has a little carbon lip down here. But on paint aside, everything, I love it. I love it. Honestly, best car here at the meet. All these other cars are good at all. But a 240, I love this. There was an MR2 that was parked over here earlier. I don't know where it went off to. Let's see if we can record and drive at the same time. Oh, there's also, I think it's a 180 that's over here. Oh, we have an undercover cop. Let's see, we'll go this way. Oh, honorable mention. Diet Dr. Pepper Accord. There used to be a regular Dr. Pepper one. 813 Chino, I believe, is the handle. And he's selling it on Marketplace. So nice to see that there's a replacement for him already out here. All right. And then we'll go ahead and cut through here. Tesla. Right? And then we'll go through here. Oh, that's a clean Z right there, chat. My camera keeps on acting up. But that's a really nice Z right there. Alright, anyways, on the search for that 180 that I saw. Well, I think it's a 180. It could be a 280. I also, what's it called? I said 240 earlier after seeing the Datsun. And I was like, wait, no, I'm slow. 240 is a Datsun, 280s. Oh no, it's gone. Oh, but we got a Q60, which, you know, in Japan is a Skyline. But it looks like the Sylvia. Well, it looks like the 180 left. No, it looks like all like the cool cars, in my opinion, probably left from here. They probably moved somewhere. But I'm gonna go ahead and try and find them, and then I'll show you guys and whatnot. Alright, chat. I'm over here looking for cars. I found a little Del Sol. Honda and Honda. Oh, and it's a Targa top. It had the top. Oh, wait, actually, wait, no, because right, my camera settings switched around. I don't know why, but there's a Targa top. So the tarp's off right now. All right, but let's go ahead and continue searching for more cars. No, don't zoom in. Oh, is this? What are you? Are you a Miata? Are you a Supra? It's a Miata. It don't got the flippy floppy though. I got a bandana though, so it's all cool. But it don't got the flippy floppy, so negative points lost because no flippy floppy, but W points regardless because it's a Miata. It's a Miata. Oh, we got a Subaru. We got a Subaru. And then I found the Accord. Okay, I need to take a picture of my Miata with this Accord and whatnot. Oh, I love this Subi. Okay. Oh, and the 300ZX is right here too. Okay, hold up, chat. And it has the carbon hood. And it has the carbon hood. I love this Subi. And then I have my Miata, the Arizona Miata. Take a picture with this. And look at this 300ZX. Ah. Alright, chat, so I got the picture of the Miata with the Accord. And I was over here trying to get the angle right, you know, taking the shot from this way, whatever. And then I realized they have it right there on the dash. W's. I did get a call though that I guess we're about to leave. So I guess I'm gonna do one lap around. And we'll see. Okay, that's crazy. I was about to put my camera in, I looked up and there's an MR2 right in front of me. Of course, my settings are flipped around again. But we got a black MR2. All right. I'll update you guys in the next clip or whatever. All right, chat. So I did get the word that we're about to leave. So let's do one more go. Let's do one last go around. Woo. Let's do a final go around, and then we'll head out. Hey, yo.
Anybody else?
Stay mad. There's that GTR, which I love. Oh, there's a Supra behind there. And then there's a black GTR. Of course, there's that RD33 back there. behind the Lambo. There's the red GTR and the black Supra. Let's see, we've got two vets. Let's get that NSX on video real quick. Woo! The Skyline pulled up. I didn't see the Skyline earlier. Glad I saw it before I left. You guys know I love my Skylines and whatnot. Why is my light blinking? Y'all see that? I don't know. But yeah, I love that. And then the NSX right here. Two lovely cars. All right, let's go ahead, start making our way back. We'll go around through, what's it called? Through Popeyes. Oh shit! Oh, there's a little Corolla back there. And then y'all probably saw this Civic when my brother had the camera earlier. Alright, let's go through Popeyes and then let's make our way back to the car. We got the bikes right here and whatnot. Alright though, chat. I'm about to head back to the car. So I guess I'll get home and start editing the video. We'll see what my brother said too. So that'll be interesting. But I'll see y'all next one, chat. I'll plug this out on Instagram as well. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. Bye.